Okay, so now we're gonna do the sales tax. So go ahead and go to taxes now again. Thank you. Thank you for backtracking.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go ahead and use automatic sales tax, and let's type in the address. Now I know that in class I might have mistaken our address. It is zip code 93740. So please be mindful of that. So that's the address, Fresno, California, 93740. 40. So the 40 is going to actually help to make sure that you have the right sales tax. Let's go ahead and press next. We do not collect taxes outside of California. Sometimes you do. If you create a nexus with another state, then you are supposed to collect taxes, and that is indeed our Department of Tax and Fee Administration is the one responsible for collecting that. So let's go ahead and press next, and then it's getting the sales tax for us. And let's do this. That's it. If we choose the right zip code, the 93740, the sales tax should be 7 point blah 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 blah. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's go ahead and create a product real quick just to confirm or an invoice with one product.
Where is it?
Right here at the bottom. Let's add a product and let's do mouthwash. Let's go ahead and put $10 in there just for now. Did you call it taxable though? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's 10. Let's do $10 for now. Just to
Okay.
see.
On the amount. Okay.
Okay, it's not taxable right now, so it's not showing. Go ahead and press tax.
It won't let
The
me.
little checkbox, yeah, just to check it.
It won't let me.
It won't let you. Okay. All right. So for now, we've already let's go ahead and skip out of this. Let's skip out of this invoice. So we can close that. Leave without saving. I think I think I think it worked already, but let's make sure it did. Okay, let's press next. No. And the confirmation. Okay. Press okay. Oh, I guess that was an issue. Okay, we can exit out of this completely. I think it's already set up. Okay, so how often do we file? Right here, we're gonna do it. Let's do it quarterly. Cause see, it depends on how often or how much do we have of a monthly liability. So in the state of California, if you collect sales tax that more than $100 a month, then you're supposed to file your taxes, your sales tax reports quarterly on a quarterly basis. If it's more than $1,200, then you got to prepay them on a quarterly basis immediately, right? And then next, if you have less than $100 per month, for a total of 12 or less than $1,200 a year, then you can file these sales taxes on a yearly basis instead. So go ahead and do quarterly and save. That's the default. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so now this is fully done. We can see this. Can we go down, down, down? And so now you have 4. It's telling us that we have an overdue sales tax report, and we'll talk about that in class a little more. But we're not gonna file these because they're all fictitious anyway. But this is how your clients will file these on a quarterly basis, right? You want to press on. Well, once we actually have numbers, we'll come back to this. That's it. It's already set up. Let's go back to your products and services, and for that, let's double check our products and services, guys. On the gear on the very top, so the top right corner has a little gear, and let me annotate real quick. So it's gonna be right here, this one. All right, now let's go to products and services.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, and then let's go back to the taxable items. So things that are inventoriable, like floss, this should be taxable. This should be taxable. This should be taxable. So let's go ahead and press edit. And in here, we're gonna keep going down. And let's
Right
edit
here.
the sales tax, right? It does say taxable. So I'm not sure if a toothbrush is taxable in the state of California. I am assuming it is. So let's go ahead and double check that. I think it is. Let's go ahead and find out. Sales tax, toothbrush, California. Let me go ahead and press pause for a minute.
Okay.
Let me resume. Oh, so let's keep going down here. Let's scroll down.
It goes.
Um, it is personal care. We could browse. Can you just type toothbrush in there?
Oh,
Yeah, include. Yeah, that's it. Done. So that can be okay. So now we have a taxable item that says that is a toothbrush, right? So saving clothes. So you do have to categorize this. And once you create your first invoice, let's see. Now it says taxable, right? Let's look.
mhm.
That was floss. Okay. Let's do the mouthwash as well. So all of those should be taxable. I'm gonna press pause. Now for the mouthwash, rinse like personal care. Under personal care, let's keep going to children's. No, 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 include nope, nope. Personal care. None of these. Grooming and hygiene products for humans. That's it. Done. And then save and close. We go to the next one.
The toothbrush.
That's gonna be the same, right? Toothbrush. So we go all the way down. So this is how you're gonna do it with your clients too. You gotta define whether their products, if they have such a thing, are taxable. Perfect. Um, and then rental denture cleaner is also a hygiene product like you used before. So you can go in there and say hygiene. Yeah. And then next we have the toothpaste as well. Same thing, hygiene. And I gotta clean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me stop the recording. And so that's how you know. So now when you create an invoice, you're gonna be able to see that you're gonna be able to see this. All right, perfect.